assignments that are due these last couple of weeks. So I want to address the health-related quality of life worksheet first. Um, just by way of a little introduction, when you go to navigate through a module, you're going to have a chance to start at module 1 at the first page. Go to the overview page, you'll see just a little title page. Here's the title. The next page is the content page. I've listed the topic, the objectives. These are the things that you should get by the time you're finished with the section. Now you'll notice that some of these things are not actually things that you have either homework about or may not come up on a quiz, but they're still going to be things that I'm going to be asking you to be accountable for on the midterm. So be sure to study, keep an eye on these objectives while you go through your studying. You'll also see that Module 1 content slide has a couple of spots where you can actually click through to the actual assignments. Let's just keep paging through. Keep going back down to this button in the corner. Here's a little screen that explains the theme of what health-related quality of life is. You go to the next page, and this is where it says health-related quality of life survey and worksheet. There's actually a couple of slides here. You'll notice these steps: complete the worksheet, calculate your results, analyze your results, and then you will want to write up your results. You're going to provide your answers right here with submit assignment. So we're going to leave this page for a moment and go forward. Here's a rubric. This basically tells how you're going to get graded for that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take the survey. And I'm not actually going to go through the whole survey right now, but the survey is a survey that basically gives you a score for each of your answers. Okay, so you're going to go through and you're going to answer the survey. I'm going to skip to the end, and it's probably going to say that you missed a bunch of questions, but that's okay. You have 34 unanswered questions. That's okay. I'm okay with that. So one of the things you're going to notice is it actually is going to give you, it's going to show you so let's go ahead and I'll answer a couple questions real randomly. And it'll show you just that you're going to start to get together, you're going to start getting a score as you go through. So we take the survey again. The survey is loading. Vigorous activities such as running, lifting. Okay, so please assess your own health. It may help you decide upon a topic for your personal health project. Once you complete the survey, then you complete the workshop and the worksheet in the module. Vigorous activities such as running, lifting, heavy objects, participating in strenuous sports. So does your health, are you limited a lot? Are you limited a little? Not limited at all. So I'll just click that. How about moderate activities such as moving a table, pushing a vacuum cleaner, bowling, or playing golf? Lifting or carrying groceries, how limited are you? Climbing several flights of stairs. Let's just say for the sake of argument that your knee hurts or something, you're having a problem, so you're a little limited, okay? So you're going to go through and you're going to keep on answering questions. You're going to submit the quiz. When you submit the quiz, it doesn't really, I don't look at the answers. It's a anonymous quiz, so there's no grade or anything for this quiz. You will get 10 points for actually just completing the quiz. Now when you go back, you're going to see that you have you've marked some of your scores, and you're going to need this when you go back and do the rest of the assignment. So go to the next page, and it says download the worksheet key for week 2. And I'm just going to let it load because these worksheets will also load so you'll see it load. So for instance, it gives you these. you go through and you actually start to flip around to the very end of the quiz, and you'll see that it asks you to add up your scores: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get a raw score, and then you divide it by 9 to get an average. So your physical function is measured by those 9s. Your limitations due to physical health, the first 4. Limitations due to emotional problems, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So once you've done that, then you're going to have a little score that will rate you from 0 to 100. And you're going to use this little scale here to answer the questions, which are here right below. But what I've done is I've put them into a worksheet for you. And you're actually just going to, oops, I'm going to go back. And you're going to type in your answers right into the worksheet. So you're going to go back several pages, and you're going to be looking for the screen that at the bottom, at the top of the screen, has the little label that says Submit Worksheet. So we're working our way backwards. We're paging backwards. We do not want to take the survey again, so we're going to just scroll to the bottom. We're getting to the part that says Submit Worksheet. Okay, so in order to submit the assignment, I actually have to open the browser, and this is where I'm going to start typing my answers. So I'm going to go back and look at the worksheet, see what the first question asks. You'll do that on your own. You can open it in another tab, and then you'll just type it here, and you'll do that for each question. I'd like you to write in complete sentences and watch your grammar and spelling and all that. And then when you're done, you'll submit your assignment. And on the other end, it will show up in the grade book, and I'll be able to read it from there, and then I'll be able to grade it.